Hello, we are Team 520.
Imagine an officer whose job is to enroll FRA patta holders into different government schemes. Simple enough, right? Except there's a catch. He has no idea which person is eligible for which scheme. Why? Because there's no proper organized data of individuals or even the community. And here's the real problem. There's no digital format of FRA pattas or claims and no FRA atlas map. Without these, we can't see what exist on the land, be it agriculture, water, forest, or even houses. And without knowing these, it's impossible to map people to the right schemes. So, what happens? Lakhs of rupees in government funds just remain stuck, caught between the government and the people who actually need them. Now, let's walk through the prototype. We have completed it for selected areas in Tripura. We'll start with the document processing. Here, I am choosing and uploading a handwritten FRA patta. Then I select the type of claim. Our OCR model processes the document, and the NER model extracts all the important details from the document. Even though we are using advanced tech here, we have added a safeguard. A human can always cross check and make corrections if needed. Once verified, the data is locked and we move on to the next step. Using the coordinates from the document, we now fence the individual land on the FRA atlas. This is done using spatial polygon geometry principles. As you can see, the fenced area is clearly visualized on the map. The next step is asset identification. Let's run the DSS engine. Our deep learning pipeline analyzes the land and finds that 62% of the land has forest resources, 25% is agricultural land, and 3% is water bodies. Using all this information, combined with factors like socioeconomic data, water index, and IoT data from agricultural land, and community feedback, our DSS recommends the most suitable government schemes for that individual or community. This way, our entire process from document to decision making becomes seamless, transparent, and efficient. Now, let's explore the real time FRA Atlas map. Here, you can search directly by area or by patta number. You can apply multiple filters on the map, such as approved claims, pending claims, etc. Here, some of the claim stats are displayed along with both potential and granted FRA regions. Now, let's move to the detail view. On the dashboard, you can see map overview, community and asset distribution, FRA overview, and claim trends. You can view these details by searching from state, district, taluk, and village levels, and also based on the tribe. For the selected village, the DSS view shows insights for both people and the community, with filters based on schemes and ministries. By clicking on an individual, we can access their complete details along with the list of schemes that are recommended for them. You can see land assets and documents of individual. Similarly, we can view details and scheme recommendations for communities also. For the selected village, you can see the applied claims with their status. On clicking an individual claim, we can view details and track the claim status stage by stage, making the process transparent. The claim list can be exported. And here's a unique feature, our agentic RAG assistant. You can ask any questions related to the data and it will generate detailed responses with visuals. For example, I asked, give me the overall stats about Tripura, and here are the results. The results can be viewed in multiple languages and can be exported. Finally, feedback from beneficiaries is collected directly using an IBR system in local language. Even a basic button phone is enough for this. Here's a sample of how it works.
नमस्कार, आपका स्वागत है वन अधिकार में। क्या प्रधानमंत्री मत्स्य संपदा योजना आपके लिए उपयोगी रही है? यदि हाँ, तो कृपया 1 दबाएं। यदि नहीं, तो कृपया 2 दबाएं।